How much better to get wisdom than gold? To get insight rather than silver. Proverbs 16, verse 16. We can say like this: how much better to go for a prayer meeting than doing overtime for money, or to sit with the Bible in a Sunday rather than going for outing. People, especially one who is working outside countries, they are hard working for their family because of their love to their children, wife, parents. They are hard working for money. They are doing overtimes. Even Sundays also they are working. But remember, you did a great mistake that you chose money as your master. So when you come back to home, the same spirit will follow you. Your family members would love money than you. That will break your heart because you worked for your family, but your family members now loving riches, money, luxury than you. They are not interested in your presence, but they are more interested in your money. So do wisely. You do your work, but give some time to God. Especially when you are working outside, it is a great opportunity to go near to God. One of the purposes of God when He is taking outside of your family is that God wants to reveal Himself to you. God wants to use you. So if you take that opportunity positively, God will give your family. They will love you with God's love. They would love your presence than money and other things. Because one who is catering for God is really gathers for himself